Data visualization transforms raw data into visual formats like charts, making complex information easily understandable. It's crucial because visuals quickly reveal patterns, trends, and outliers, aiding better decision-making and clearer communication. You'd use Python for visualization when working with large datasets, needing advanced analytics, or creating customized and interactive plots, leveraging libraries like Matplotlib or Seaborn.
Let's illustrate a simple line plot. First, import Matplotlib, pyplot as plt. Define your data. X equals 1, 2, 3, 4, and Y equals 2, 4, 5, 4. Add a title and labels. "plt, title. Simple plot. plt. X label. X-axis. plt. Y label. Y-axis. Finally, plt. Show. To display your plot.
Data visualization is the graphical representation of information and data. By using visual elements like charts, graphs, and maps, it provides an accessible way to see and understand trends, outliers, and patterns in data. It transforms complex datasets into digestible visual formats, making data analysis more intuitive and insights more evident.
It is important because it simplifies complex information, making it easier to grasp quickly than by sifting through raw numbers or spreadsheets. Visualization aids in quicker decision-making, reveals hidden insights or correlations, helps identify errors or anomalies in data, and effectively communicates findings to diverse audiences, including those without a technical data background. This clarity fosters better understanding and collaboration.
You should do data visualization whenever you need to explore data for patterns, validate hypotheses, or present findings. It's crucial during exploratory data analysis, either to understand the structure and relationships within your data, for reporting to stakeholders to clearly convey performance metrics or project progress, or when monitoring real-time systems to spot unusual behavior immediately. Essentially, any time you need to gain insight from data or communicate that insight to others, visualization is invaluable.
As you can see in the generated plot, the green line visually represents the sensor's value fluctuating over time, clearly showing both its general upward trend and its periodic oscillations. The x-axis indicates time in seconds, while the y-axis shows the corresponding sensor value, making it easy to track changes and identify patterns or specific values at different points in time.